Hey guys, so this is the third part of the circulatory system. In this part, we're gonna learn how the heart works. So yeah, in this part, we're gonna learn how the heart works. So let's see this animation that I made. No, we're not gonna see it here. We're gonna see it here. No, not here. We're gonna see it. Yeah, I made this animation also. Let's see it. So turns out I forgot to make an animation for this. And let's not search it. And yeah. So yeah. Now let's get into the video. Come on, 1 minute is wasted. Now let's just get into the video. Okay, wait. So this cell has used up all its oxygen that the blood gave. And now it's just carbon dioxide and waste material that it does not need. And now the cell is sad. See, I'm gonna draw a sad face on the cell. This is sad cell. So now what the blood needs to do is that it needs to give oxygen to the cell. How can the blood do it? Well, the blood goes in the veins, and the veins send the blood to the heart, and the blood comes in the heart, like so. The blood comes in the heart through the blood comes in the right atrium. The blood comes in the right atrium, and then the tricuspid valve opens. Why is tricuspid valve called tricuspid valve? Because this valve is in between three places: right atrium, pulmonary vein, and right ventricle. Tri means three, and tricuspid valve is called tricuspid valve because it is in between three places: one right atrium, two, this thing, what is it called? I forgot. Pulmonary vein or artery. In three, the third place, right ventricle. So yeah, that's the easy way to remember the pulmonary tricuspid valve. And yeah. So now the tricuspid valve opens like so, and the blood comes in. And then after the blood comes in, the tricuspid valve immediately closes, or else blood will mix in this, and then huge chaos will be made, and because of that chaos, you will die. So yeah. So now the blood enters the right atrium. The right atrium is a place for blood to go to this pulmonary vein. Is it pulmonary vein or pulmonary artery? So the right atrium, no, wait, is it right? So now the blood has entered the right ventricle. In the right ventricle, the blood will go to the right, to the pulmonary artery, yeah. So now the tricuspid valve is closed to help the heart relax for a while and just, help the blood not mix. And then in the right ventricle, the blood goes in this pulmonary artery, and then the pulmonary pulmonary what? Alright, and then the pulmonary valve is already open waiting for the blood. And then the blood goes through the pulmonary valve in the lungs and all. One pulmonary valve is called pulmonary valve because it's the only pulmonary valve is called the pulmonary valve because it's the only valve which is in the pulmonary blood vessel. So yeah. And now in the lungs there's lots of, and now in the lungs the blood goes through to these air sacs called alveoli, and these alveoli have lots of oxygen. And if you want to know this thing in more detail, see my respiratory system video, but I'm gonna explain it here regardless. Wait, actually, never mind, I have only 6 minutes left to explain you all of this. So yeah, next, the blood is in the lungs, getting its oxygen, and now it goes out of the lungs in the left atrium. Yeah. And in the left atrium, the blood relaxes for a bit. And then after it's done relaxing, the valve opens. Which valve is it? Which valve is it? Come on. Okay, right. And then the mitral valve opens. Why is it called a mitral valve? I don't know. Please find that out yourself. You know, what does mitral even mean? What the hell? Yeah, you know what mitral means? A very kind, sweet, nice, generous person. And the mitral valve is very, very kind because it opens for the blood vessel. That's why the mitral valve is called the mitral valve. And then after the mitral valve opens, the blood goes in this place. And it might not seem like it, but behind the pulmonary valve, behind the pulmonary artery, there's actually the aorta opening, and the blood goes in the aorta opening, and then through the aortic valve, and then, yeah. Let's see this animation. Yeah, did y'all like this animation? I know it's so beautiful, so unique, just looking like a wow. Just looking like a wow. And next we're gonna explain. So I explained the physiology of heart in this video, and in the previous video I explained physiology of blood vessels, and in the video before that I explained anatomy of heart and blood vessels. So now in the next video I'm gonna have to explain blood. Yeah, bye.